Hey guys, welcome to Stray Dog. I'm your host Falun Shinoy, and today I'm going to talk about PDA or Public Display of Affection. And on this channel, you can speak your mind because this channel is by the youth and for the youth. What actions are considered as PDA?
I guess kissing for me is.
Kissing is bad.
Yeah.
For you, hugging? Sports is okay for you. And touching here and there, maybe that can also be considered.
What is here and there?
What is here and there?
What is here and there? The nation wants to know.
Nation is smart enough to know that.
So like touching boobs and all those things,
Not good.
not good.
Not
No.
good.
But you know,
संस्कार नहीं है हमारे.
I think kissing in public is normal, but if you go something beyond that,
What do you mean by beyond that?
beyond that is completely display of affection, you see.
But then the people who are single out there,
they
they
feel
feel like
jealous.
what the is going on? तुम साले exactly क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग हमारा यहाँ पे खड़ा नहीं हो पा रहा अच्छे से.
Holding hands, is it considered PDA?
No.
Girls holding hands.
It doesn't
into
matter.
friendship, I guess.
Friendship. Two guys holding their hands.
They're gay.
No.
They're absolutely gay. Two guys cannot hold their hand. Come on,
No, that could be the scene because even lesbians exist, gay exist.
When you see PDA, how
Yeah.
do you feel?
I miss my boyfriend.
अंदर का सुल्तान जाग जाता है.
I feel like dude why am I not there? When I do it is fine. तुम मत करो ये सब.
If you're not the one doing it and if you're alone, so it feels like what the hell.
Yeah.
When I was having a breakup, when I used to see PDS, like, no man, not happening. I'm like the Hulk.
जैसे वो लोग होते हैं, like हम कोई कर रहा होता है, पत्थर मार के भागते हैं.
I don't think it's a problem because I would do the same thing when I'm with my girlfriend.
Is kissing in public legal in India?
It is legal, obviously, it is legal. But kissing is not legal. I don't know, it's other way around. Kissing.
It's the other way around.
Yeah.
Kissing is legal, kissing is not legal.
Yeah.
India is not legal according to all of them out there. People who have crossed age 30, they talk bullshit about you. You even hug a girl in India. This is how it has been.
It's not like very common. It's pretty rare.
It's just chupa chupai. So,
It's like a rare Pokemon.
yeah.
There are certain areas like in Mumbai there's a place called Marine Lines. Police generally don't interfere there because they know if police आई तो उनकी वाट लगा देंगे. And there's a place called Bandstand over there. You can see live sex. They have been spotted over there.
बंदा काफी experienced है.
Not very sure whether it's legal according to the system, but थोड़ा डर रहता.
Like kissing on the cheek is fine.
Kissing is cheek is fine,
Yeah.
but no tongue involved. No tongue.
no tongue.
How much smooching is too much smooching? Is it like 3 centimeter of tongue or 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter? I'm coining this term where you can measure the smooch intensity.
Yeah. Should have a meter which is going down.
I think that's already there with the guys. How much PDA is too much PDA? Like, do we have to draw some line?
Yes.
Keep the clothes on. That's about it.
Becoming too touchy with each other.
Yeah.
There's no need, just because you're a couple, no
Yeah.
need that you should always touch each other
Exactly.
and hug each other.
A quickie at a time, I think it's a PDA sometimes.
Quickie.
Quickie.
The nation wants to know what's a quickie.
What's a quickie? I don't know what a
Quickie
quickie
is having a KFC chicken just like that.
Anything beyond hug, it's indecent. It's a very personal thing, and it should be behind doors or whatever. I'm not saying that one has to be married or not. That's okay.
That's not what she's saying.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a PDA which was so intense that you had to look away?
Yes.
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 Yes. गाड़ी में होता है कि हम लोग आगे बैठे होते हैं और पीछे वाले लोग they're on each other.
किसमें? Uber pool में?
Uber pool में.
Pool में.
Guy undressing the girl, like going and taking out the bra and shit like that. I've seen that.
Was he struggling with that?
I didn't check.
Everywhere rubbing each other and feeling each other.
For how long did you wait before looking elsewhere?
No, I didn't look elsewhere.
Okay.
I didn't look. I mean,
Just enjoying,
it's
having
a
a
free
drink.
show. Yeah.
We are watching movie with our parents. The scene come, we do like, oh. What's the time?
कुछ नहीं समझ रहा. What is going on?
We
Phone
don't know.
निकाल के, oh, we don't know anything.
Okay, have you ever seen PDA between your parents?
No. We're thankful we didn't.
I don't want to
We don't want to get scarred for life. So.
No way, no freaking way.
Entering their room, first of all I knock. मैं knock करके ही घुसता हूँ. Knock करने के बाद 2 बार knock करके धीरे से गेट खोलता हूँ. May I come in?
I don't want to answer that. It's okay. Let's just not answer that. Yeah.
It's a yes.
Yes, when I was young, I was scarred. I was 6 years old and
I just opened my door and I was like, okay, carry on.
So what do you think about PDA? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also like this video, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to Stray Dog.
You're 23 years old. Really? You look very young.
Sir, these shorts, they'll be a little long for you. Why don't you try in the kids section?
Relationships or flings, which is better?
Flings.
Why flings?
Relationship is too much work.
Too much work.
Yeah.
What kind of work are we talking about?
You need to talk to him, you need to text him, you need to keep him happy.